Why did the Sun King, Louis Roman XIV, turn against his most loyal minister, Nicolas Fouquet? The answer lies in a profound lesson about the strategic power of absence. In the glittering court of Versailles, where presence was everything, Fouquet's downfall was a stark reminder that sometimes less is more. By understanding the dynamics of presence and absence, we can unlock the secret to gaining respect and honor. Join us as we delve into this captivating historical episode and uncover the timeless wisdom it holds. Law 16 teaches us that in a world where everyone is constantly vying for attention, sometimes stepping away can be the most powerful move. In an era dominated by social media and perpetual connectivity, the art of absence is more relevant than ever. By strategically withdrawing, you create a sense of mystery and a lure that draws people in. This law is about understanding the psychology of scarcity and how it can elevate your status. Let's explore how absence can be a tool for increasing respect and honor. Meet Nicolas Fouquet, the ambitious finance minister of Louis Roman XIV, who lived from 1615 to 1680. Known for his opulence and charm, Fouquet was a master of influence and a fixture at the French court. However, his constant presence and extravagant displays of wealth eventually became his undoing. In 1661, he hosted a lavish party at his chateau in Vaux-le-Vicomte, intending to impress the king. Instead, it sparked envy and suspicion, setting the stage for his dramatic fall from grace. Fouquet's grand fête was intended to showcase his loyalty and capability, but it had the opposite effect. The sheer scale of his wealth and influence made Louis Roman XIV feel overshadowed and threatened. In the world of power, too much presence can breed envy and resentment. Fouquet's mistake was not recognizing that sometimes being too visible can make you a target. His story serves as a cautionary tale about the dangers of overexposure in the pursuit of power. Seeing Fouquet as a rival, Louis Roman XIV acted swiftly and decisively. On September 5, 1661, Fouquet was arrested and charged with embezzlement. His constant presence and the threat it posed to the king's authority made his removal inevitable. In the chess game of power, a pawn that outshines the king must be taken off the board. Fouquet's downfall illustrates the importance of knowing when to step back and let your absence speak for itself. Why does absence work so effectively in the realm of power? It's about creating a void that others feel compelled to fill with admiration and respect. When you step away, you give people the space to reflect on your value and contributions. This psychological phenomenon taps into the human tendency to appreciate what is no longer readily available. By mastering the art of absence, you can enhance your influence and command greater respect. Constant presence can lead to being taken for granted, diminishing your perceived value. Absence, on the other hand, creates a sense of scarcity that makes your presence more cherished. This principle is rooted in the psychology of supply and demand. When something is scarce, it becomes more desirable. By strategically withdrawing, you can increase your perceived worth and ensure that your presence is appreciated when you choose to return. In your career, consider the power of stepping back after achieving a major success. Let your accomplishments resonate in your absence, allowing others to recognize and appreciate your contributions. This strategic withdrawal can amplify your influence and create a lasting impact. By letting your achievements speak for themselves, you cultivate a reputation that commands respect and admiration, even when you're not present. In social interactions, such as a group chat, resist the urge to always be the first to respond. By allowing others to seek your input, you increase your perceived wisdom and authority. Silence can be a powerful tool, making your words more impactful when you choose to speak. This approach not only enhances your influence, but also encourages others to value your contributions more highly. Remember, absence can be a tool for power. By stepping away strategically, you can increase respect, create value through scarcity, and let others miss your presence. This law is about understanding the dynamics of presence and absence and using them to your advantage. As you navigate the complexities of power, keep in mind the lessons of Nicolas Fouquet and the Sun King. Master the art of absence and watch respect grow. Next, we'll explore the power of unpredictability. Join us as we continue our journey through the 48 laws of power, uncovering the strategies that can help you navigate the intricate world of influence and authority.